Yes guys, welcome back to another episode of your boy Ohms. So today we've headed up to Grand Bay, or you want to call it Grand Bay as you want to butcher it if you're English, but look at this beautiful part of landscape we got here. Top of the northern part of the island. Oh, beautiful. Got a few of my cousins here as well. Naira, Ryder, Adnan. I mean, one can speak English, the rest can't really. But yeah, so yeah, anytime you ever come to Mauritius and you want to go for nightclubs or anything like that, this is the party place to come to. Yeah, this is basically the rich part. I mean, look at it. I mean, needless to say anymore, but this is what you got here, this is what you can get. Anyone you want to do, this is where you go. Right, so next stop that we've come to is Bambef. Got it right. Yeah, well, this is the location anyway of the next beach that we've come to, the north side of the island again, and it's quite a beautiful view. There's a crossover to the island that's just separate from Mauritius that I will now show you, which you can see there. Oh, might have to take you down, go down the stairs, have a little wander, see what it's about here. I mean, this place entirely is somewhere that's really a gem in its own, and it's been far too long since I've come here before and visited this place again. I mean, it's been 6 years since the last time I came here, and yeah, it's nice to always come back and touch with your roots and, you know, see how things are. Oh shit, bit of a drop. So yeah, we're down to the beach and you can see how the island looks like, and beautiful view, man. I mean, I get that you might say it's a load of beaches that you're seeing right now, but with each one there's something a little bit different, something a little bit more special about it. I mean, your typical palm tree chilling right next to the seaside. To take me to the seaside. No, better than England, I'll tell you that much. But yeah, look, this is somewhere I've not actually been to before, and it's my first time. Yeah, plenty more discoveries to do. When I was younger I got taken around by a few people, which you will see. I'll get around to those points like Trou-au-Cerf and Port-au-Cerf, and Beau-Bassin, Grand-Bassin, all that kind of places, but also look for new spots with thanks to the help of my cousins. They know the spots nowadays, you know how these youngins are, so yeah, see what they can show me. Right, so next stop on the tour, the next beach is Choisy, and yeah, another nice stretch of beach here, and you can see behind me, and a nice curved archway with the trees, all the kind of like single one trees all piled up. Gives it a nice kind of effect. Yeah, I mean, we came to see the sunset, but the skies and God has decided otherwise, unfortunately. Yeah, I mean, look, we're out here chilling, relaxing. You know how it is, you know how we do. A month to go, I'm ready to keep partying on through all this, keep going through all the things, and, you know, take it to the next level, find some better views, better points, connect with some more people. Obviously, all part of this journey for me is to connect with my family and to discover more about my roots and yeah, where I'm from, to be honest. So not a bad place to be from.